To this new video. In this video, I'll be telling you how to restart your MacBook Air. Before I start my video, I should just tell you that restarting and resetting both are different. When you say resetting a device, you mean to say that you will be restoring it to the factory settings. By factory settings, it means the device will be available to you in the same way as it came from the factory. So, this video is not about resetting your MacBook Air, but rather it will tell you how to restart your MacBook Air device. So, before I also proceed in this matter, I should tell you that this is very basic tutorial for the new people who are just switched to Mac devices from the Windows. When you're trying to relate the functionalities of Windows computer to your MacBook Air, they're quite different. So you should always search for some tutorial and then proceed. Anyways, let's stick to our topic. When you are trying to restart your MacBook Air, you will see that there is no start button here. So what you have to do is you have to go to this small Apple logo which will be available all the time on the top left side of your screen. When you click on this Apple logo, it will give you options to make your computer sleep or restart or shut down it. So this restart option will help you proceed to restart your MacBook Air device. And when you click on this option, see, Apple is providing you some good option. It wants that do you want to reopen all the windows when logging back in? It means when you are restarting your device and then the computer turns off and turns on for you, so Apple will open up all the open applications which are available to you now. Like this Chrome browser is open for me, so when I restart my computer, it will be available for me in the same view. So if I have to proceed like that, I should tick mark and then click on restart. Now I'll be cancelling out this restart option because I have to complete my video tutorial for you. So this is very simple and basic thing which you can do by just simply pressing on this Apple logo available on the top. I hope this solves your query. If you have any special requests, you can just drop me below in comment section and do subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video. If you are waiting for more interesting Apple tutorials, subscribe to my channel Apple Baba. Thanks.